guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can pick traits for your Sims. So you can do this before or after you edit their appearance. So to do that, you're just going to go here and you're just going to select an aspiration. For instance, this person is creative, so I'm just going to choose the creativity, and you can choose from musical genius, painter extraordinaire, and best-selling author. I'm just going to do this one. Then you can choose likes and dislikes. So you are just going to choose a favorite color. For instance, you want their favorite color to be pink. Select this, and they do not like the color, for instance, brown. So they pick dislike on that. You can choose, I think, up to like 3 likes and dislikes. Wait, 20, sorry, I think. So if you could do music genre, for instance, this person likes romance music, spooky music and pop, but they don't like, for instance, Somalian pop music and like his radio music, for instance. And then activity, they, for instance, like playing the guitar, cooking, comedy, piano, and they don't like rocket science and like fishing and gardening and fitness. You can only have up to 20, and then you can pick their traits here. For instance, they're a romantic, they can be an art lover, childish, jealous, for instance. I'm just going to choose, for instance, creative here. And then on the second one, I'm just going to choose music lover. And on the third one, I'm going to do jealous as a trait. And you can change their names here and also change their pronouns here too. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.